Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can save changes and edits in your notes as well as tasks on Saner AI, so let us guide you through it. So head over to your account on Saner AI and access, for example, a task through the task panel to the left or a note. I will go with that example note for the sake of this tutorial. Click into it to open it. And now guys, let me add some content to as a change, for example, I don't know, example line. And now as you can see that edit or change has been added. You can do that with numbered lists, checklists, tables, voice notes, and so on and so forth. Anything you add to your note will be automatically saved, guys. You will see that by that button here at the top. That is the auto save feature, and as you can see, the change has been saved around 8 p.m. 40, which is right now. So these changes are being saved automatically, guys. You don't have to click on any save button here. Just add your change, just like that. There you go. As you can see, the change has been applied here in that overview as well. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.